Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's late at night, I can't be too loud, but today I got my Boxycharm super big, super duper duper big. This is our Boxyluxe. So every 3 months we'll get our huge Boxyluxe. So I just want to show you what I got. So I'm not gonna try anything on, but just for you guys that don't have Boxycharm and is curious, I love makeup and I love like doing little hauls. So this is my Boxycharm haul. You see the big card and it lists every single thing and its normal prices. So this is Boxycharm Getaway, but I'm gonna totally keep this. I'm so excited, and I chose my favorite color, lavender. It's so cute. Oh my god, such a baby. Skin & Co. Roma is a truffle therapy illuminating skin refresh mist. Illuminating it sounds scary because I'm oily. Not now because I wash my face, but I'll get oily. And refresh mist, like I use moisturizer, so I feel refreshed after that. I don't know, it looks like a milk consistency. Trideschi. It's a mascara with a whole bunch of how to use. This is like legit a concoction, bro, of a mascara. Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. I love Living Proof. Instant lasting volume and texture. It's this Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow Night Serum with hydrating honey and gentle flower acids. So I know a lot of people like this. This is pretty popular from Pharmacy. They have a lot of good popular stuff. Rest in peace because she's no longer with us, but she did honey mask. She just needed to do a mask on someone, so I volunteered and I didn't know it was honey, and I smelled it and it smelled like straight booty. Straight booty. Nasty. Packaging. It's a Dominique Cosmetics in shade Peach Tea. Nice. Let's see how it looks when you open up inside. Yeah, that is totally gonna be such a cute lip topper. The pH Balance Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll from Dr. Brandt. Dr. Brandt is such an expensive brand. So for all skin types, it's gonna get rid of excess oil, makeup pollution, and everyday grime. That's really good. Ignore Pore Problem Prime Essence from Touch and Soul. So this is a really cute primer. It comes out like a water, and this doesn't say anything for matte, hydrating. Yeah, this is straight water. Just makes me want to pee. But so it's not specifically hydrating, it's not mattifying. I would assume it's hydrating if it's super like watery, but the whole purpose is to tighten pores. Tarte's Pro Glow 3 palette, cheek palette. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting one of these for so long. When I've worked at Ulta, I've been dying. I would stare at it and I would tell myself, don't buy it, it's okay, you don't need it, don't buy it, it's okay. So I'm so happy. I literally been wanting one of these. Like, they're so adorable. The packaging, guys. I'm so happy right now. I always wanted this. See, it is so adorable, just like a book, and then you open it up. I'm so excited. Finally, I get one of them. Beautiful. Yes. Yes. Perfect. Obsessed. This whole box was so worth it. I paid like $50 for all it is, and this is just worth it. I'm trying to, let me take off this so I can show you. Look how gorgeous. Got your side mirrors and then all these beautiful colors. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really truly hope you enjoyed this unboxing with me. I know it was very low-key, very chill. It's nighttime. It's like 12 o'clock at night, but whatever. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like and comment. Tell a friend to subscribe. Definitely tell them to subscribe. We need more Yaya fam. Yaya fam. Hit the bell. Definitely want these notifications. I post every week. Yeah. So comment what you want to see. Woohoo. Alright guys, you have a blessed day. Bye.